Hey y'all, I figured out what we're going to do for the brush giveaway. Make sure you read down below. Make sure you read down below. Make sure you read down below. There's going to be 3 winners. Because I had 3 of each of these. This is the Fenty something. This is the Fenty 210. This is Makeup Geek Soft Dome brush, it says. And this is a Makeup Geek Outer V brush. Because I have 3 sets of these, there will be 3 winners. So somebody's going to win 1 each of these. And from the 3 winners, I'm going to use a random generator. From the 3 winners, I'm going to put those 3 names back in. And who the random generator picks from the 3 winners will also win these 3 brushes. This is a Scott Barnes angled, kind of rounded liner brush. This one is an Hourglass number 9 dome brush. And this one is, I'm not giving this one away because this was gifted to me from Grace. This is the Sigma brush. I didn't realize that earlier. And it does say angled brow brush, but I'll probably use it for graphic liner or skin show shade or something just under the brow. So scratch that one. We're going to keep that one because that was a gift. So one person will win these 3. Another person will win these 3. Another person will win these 3. And from the 3 winners that the random generators picked, I will put those 3 names back in again. And who the random generator picks out of these 3, you will also receive these 2 brushes. And so that's what we're going to do. So read down below, read down below, read down below. And we will take it from there. I can tell you now, you do need to be subscribed. All the other information will be down below. So thank you. I appreciate you, and you will see me soon.